Welcome to Simply Simple Life. Today I want to post a review on my new robo vacuum cum mop. It is from Xiaomi. It's called Mi Robot Vacuum Mop. I will post the proper name in the description box below. I had been looking for something to mop, a robot to mop my floor for some time now. That's not an activity I enjoy. I have had a robo vacuum cleaner for the past 3+ years and it had been serving me well. The previous robo was from Ecovacs. It is called Dbot. It is still doing well. I am still using it, but it doesn't have the mopping function. It comes with a dry mop function, but there is no way to do a wet mop. So for that purpose, I was looking for a robo, and I was considering few products. One is from iRobo's Brava Jet, and there was another product from Ecovacs itself. The reason I selected Xiaomi is just the price point. So to give a review of the product, I'm just thrilled with the mopping function. The water it uses is very less. It's around 200 ml of water that the tank can hold, and that can mop the entire house. How cool is that? So, and taking off the water tank, filling it up and putting it back again, taking off the mopping pad, rinsing and reattaching it to the tank and putting back into the robo is quite simple. We don't have to flip the robo, which is quite nice, because in my previous Dbot, for the dry mopping pad, I had to flip the robo to actually take off or attach the mopping pad. So in this one you don't have to flip the bot, you just can slide it in and attach it. So that's a very nice feature. The hair doesn't get tangled to the spinners. If you have used a robo cleaner, you know that it comes with spinners. So in this one, I don't know the mechanics of it, but for some reason it doesn't get tangled with the spinner. So that's quite nice. What else? It goes around in an S format. When it is mapping the house, it just goes in an S format, so it doesn't leave off any spots. It just comprehensively covers almost all the spots in the house. Only for furniture where it cannot go under, where the furniture is kind of sitting quite low on the floor, or for furniture which has very short legs and the bot cannot go inside. Only for those areas we just have to sweep out. All the rest of the area it covers quite nicely. It's not very noisy. It's the regular noise that a bot will make. So the noise wise is also quite good. What else? The vacuum suction wise, it's quite nice. I have a dog, and of course he sheds all over the house, so I run my vacuum. Even previously I used to run my vacuum at least twice a day. The minimum is twice a day. So now with this one coming in, I'm having a mopped floor, which is quite thrilling for me every single day. I guess that's about it. The mopping function is quite nice. The vacuuming is quite nice. The taking off and putting in of the mopping pad with the water tank is quite easy. Having the bot synced with your app, where we can schedule the cleanup. So I schedule one in the morning, one in the evening, and of course I run it randomly in the afternoons also when it is charged. And the bot is quite a vocal. It just tells you that it's in a new area, it is recalibrating. It's quite cute the way it just says out things. And of course it goes and docks itself when the the battery is below a certain percentage, it just goes back to its dock and docks itself. These are all very, very nice. I just wanted to come out here and share my joy of having this mop, because mopping is not something that I enjoy doing. So if I can get a bot to do it, why not? So if you're considering buying a um, you know bot for doing your vacuum, do consider this Xiaomi's what's that called, vacuum cum mop, because you get both, and it's doing quite well. I mean, I'm quite happy with the way it is performing. It's been a week, and yeah, it's doing well. So that's it from me for now. Catch you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.